The business mistakes, you just want to make sure you don't make any mistakes that take you out of the game or come close to taking you out of your game. You should never have a night when you're worried about investing. I mean, assuming you have any money to invest at all, and you should spend a little bit less than you earn, and you can spend a little bit more than you earn, and then you've got debt, and the chances are you'll never get out of debt.
The 1% of wealthy people think of how to invest their money to increase their wealth during the recession. At the same time, 99% of struggling people spend as if they are earning more. They convince themselves of things like, I have worked hard, so I deserve this house that's too big for what I need, a new truck instead of a used one, vacation, newest iPhone, and so on. They choose to spend their money on things they don't need and not on investments, and then they complain later when all they need is discipline and tough decisions that would set them apart. A perfect storm is brewing all around the world. Inflation, bank collapse, severe drought in agricultural belt, food shortages. It's all coming together and could lead to a natural disaster. But in every crisis, there's an opportunity. While challenging the 2024 recession presents unique avenues to amass wealth. First, it's essential to remember Warren Buffett's advice. Be careful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. During recessions, assets are often undervalued. So, you must position yourself for significant returns during the economic recovery. In today's video, we will look at 3 fast ways to make money during the 2024 recession. Before we delve in fully, let's look at how the internet can give you an edge. The internet offers many opportunities for individuals to make money online through various channels, whether through freelancing, content creation, e-commerce, or providing services. The digital landscape provides avenues for monetizing skills and passions. At this point, you might be asking, how I can make money online? Don't ask such questions, because you will get popular business ideas that everyone is doing. When everyone is onto it, it's too late. The better solution is to create a new idea for yourself. This can be done with a simple 2-question exercise. First, how can I solve a problem online? You get paid when you solve a problem. The more painful the problem, the more you get paid. The doctor who treats a headache won't be paid the same as someone who does heart surgery, simply because one problem is more painful. Which problem to choose? In the marketplace, there are millions of problems. That's where the next question will help. Second, what are my interests and strengths?
I think about it. Think, what can I do that you can't do? Now, I get to work in a job that I love, but I've always worked in a job I love. I loved it when I loved it just as much when it was a big deal if I made $1,000. And I urge you to work in jobs you love. I mean, I think you're out of your mind if you keep taking jobs that you don't like because you think it'll look good on your resume.
You need to find an industry around your likes and skills. Let's say your likes are football and your skill is drawing. Well, you can make cartoon strips about famous football matches, post them on Instagram, and sell your merchandise. You have successfully solved the problem of entertainment. If your like is food and skill is cooking, you can start a cooking YouTube channel, build an audience, sell your recipes. You have successfully solved the problem of tasty food. You can create countless ideas this way. Finding a sweet spot between your likes and market problems is critical. For me, I was interested in self-help and business. So that's what I write about, and that's what I help my clients with. Stop looking for trendy business ideas. Anything trendy means there are too many people doing it. Think and create a real business. If you've reached this far, it means you are enjoying our content. Be sure to hit that subscribe button to keep seeing valuable videos like this. Now to our 3 fast ways to make money.
Far the best investment you can make is in yourself. I mean, for example, communication skills. I tell the students that come that they're going to graduate schools and business, and they're learning all these complicated formulas and all that. If they just learn to communicate better, both in writing and in person, they increase their value at least 50%.
You can only earn more money by increasing the value you bring to the marketplace. Everything that you do to earn more money will abide by this rule. If you negotiate a raise, you earn that raise because you helped your boss realize the value you're bringing to the company. If you sell more products, it's because you increase the value of those products or leveraged intelligent marketing tactics to increase their perceived value. Anything and everything that you do to increase your money must start from a place of increasing your value to the marketplace. So, how do you go about doing this? While there are 1 million and 1 ways you can become more valuable, these options are the 3 best you can apply. Number 1, increase your productivity. The first way you can earn more money is by increasing your ability to get work done and providing value faster. Think about it this way. Imagine 2 people are equally skilled at their job as creative writers. The first writer can write 1,000 words in 60 minutes. The second writer can write 2,500 words in 60 minutes. Who do you think will be more highly paid? Who do you think will get promoted? The writer can get twice as much work done in the same amount of time. Therefore, one of the best ways to get paid more is to increase your output by leveraging proven productivity tactics. You can start by sleeping 8 hours a night, working out for 30 minutes a day, eating a whole foods diet, carrying out 80-20-year tasks, eliminating all distractions, working on a 50-minute timer and taking a 10-minute break after it's over, planning your days the night before, meditate for at least 10 minutes a day, outsource all low-level work, change your work environment regularly, take plenty of breaks and 2-3 days off a week. These tips can help you increase your productivity by 50% or more. And once you can get more done in less time than your competitors or coworkers, you will start making more money. Number 2, increase your skills. Once you can get more done in less time, you will want to find ways to get more done while increasing the quality of your work. To do this, you will need to adhere to 3 simple principles: the law of 1% and intentional practice. If you diligently work on your craft for only 1 hour a day and consciously improve by 1% each day, you will be 365% better at your career business in a year. That's a huge leap. The power of education. Besides improving your craft by 1% every day, you must constantly seek new and applicable knowledge to help you improve your work. Read books, buy online courses, attend seminars. Do anything and everything you can to learn more about your skill set. If you learn 1 thing a month that improves how you work by 10%, you've now added 120% improvement on top of the existing 365%. The power of coaching. The best in the world all have coaches to help them identify their weaknesses and optimize their strengths. Whatever your current career path, you need a coach to help you go from good to great. When you commit to the process, educate yourself massively on your chosen field and hire coaches to help you identify and eliminate your weaknesses, you will quickly rise to the top of your field and demand any price you want. Number 3, increase your status. If you want to make more money, you must do this. People want to work with high-status people. Suppose you can increase your status by becoming a best-selling author, driving a more excellent car, setting public speaking engagements, and becoming a prolific creator on all major channels. In that case, you can charge pretty much whatever you want, not because you're better than everyone else. However, the general public perceives your value as more significant than your competitors. You can start small here, upgrade your wardrobe, create more content, and get it published on significant blogs, write a book on Amazon, and do small things that make you seem more high status. Eventually, you will reach a point where you never have to look for money again, and you'll have more business and opportunities than you know what to do with falling right into your lap. With these tips, you are definitely on your way to the top. Which of these ideas are you going to try out first? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.